So Windows Registry. So in simple terms, if you want to explain registry, whatever the particular hardware or software that is related to the particular Windows operating system. Okay, so all those things, the hardware or software, okay, related to Windows OS, are stored in a centralized location. So what do you mean by this, Kiran? Hardware and software. That means whatever the various configurations or updates from time to time, right? The hardware or software updates, all those things will be going into a centralized location where we'll be having several keys. We'll be saying keys. I'll be specifying those keys and I'll be showing you also. Okay, logging into the particular Windows. Okay, so we'll be having keys. It will be updating those particular keys. So in simple terms, this is what Windows Registry is, the one where the hardware and software of that particular operating system will be stored in this particular centralized location. Yeah, so it is a centralized database for all the configuration settings for most of the application systems, for most of the applications. Okay, whatever the applications it may be. Okay, so or whatever the particular hardware or software, so it is the centralized location, centralized database. That's what it is saying. And Windows will store all the application and system settings in the registry. Okay, what are the even the applications also in operating system, the operating system details, the hardware details, and the applications that you use in that particular operating system. Okay, if you use Chrome, if you use Firefox, all these are what applications. Okay, even the calculator application, whatever the particular applications are there. Okay, the files and the folders, in simple terms, the files and folders related to that one, they will be stored in the centralized database. That's what he's saying. Okay, changes made to the resources or applications are automatically updated in the registry. If you make a change, if you update something, if you update the version of the particular Chrome, if you update Chrome version, or if you update version of Splunk, okay, what happens, that thing also will be added to the registry. Okay, that's what it is saying. And again, Windows registry is stored on hard disk only. It is stored in your physical hard disk. Okay, that's what he is mentioning over here. Okay, that is the thing that you have to understand. So it is a centralized database where all the configuration settings related to the Windows operating system, that is the hardware or the software or the applications we use in that particular operating system, all those things are stored in a centralized location, and this centralized location is stored in the hard disk. Okay, and all the updates whatever you make, all those updates also will be automatically appended to the particular centralized location only. Okay, that is what he is specifying over here, right? And again, so as I specified, there are some keys, right? There are 5 keys which are related to this particular Windows registry. 5 keys are there. So what are those 5 keys? The first one is the H key. Okay, it is specified like this only. Okay, in caps, all caps. H key classes underscore root. Classes underscore root. This is the particular this is the particular key. So what does this particular key will be doing? It contains all the information. Okay, it contains all the information related to the files and folders of the operating system, related to the files and folders of Windows OS, okay, that is the particular thing. This particular key is H key underscore, I will be showing you, don't worry, I'll be showing H key underscore classes underscore root. Okay, the second one is what, it is the H key. All these 5 keys will be starting with H key only. Okay, H key and the current user. Okay, current user. So this particular key, okay, so it has been divided into 5 keys, right? The entire Windows list is divided into 5 keys. The first key will be taking care of all the information related to the operating system, whatever the files, folders, all these particular things. The H key underscore current user key will be having the same files and folders information only, files and folders information related to the logged in user. Related to the logged in user. Okay, that is the difference. Related to the logged in user. Okay, this is another key. Okay, and okay, let me, or else let me take a new one. Let me put command here. Yeah, and again the third one, is what, HKey local underscore machine, I think. Yeah, HKey local machine, HKey, or else let me open whether I do some mistake. Let me show you directly over here. Let me go to the AWS. Okay, already I have logged in. So this is the particular Windows server. So how I can connect this one? What I'll be doing is I will be having a remote server because I'm using Mac. I can use a remote server connection. Okay, so remote Microsoft Remote Desktop. Okay, so I hope that I have already added this one. 1 minute. Let me check. 54, 215, 250, 63 is the 63 is the IP address. Yeah, this is the particular thing. So let me open this one. Administrator is the username, and again password I want. How I can get password? I have to connect over here. You can also follow the same thing. Okay, if you want to access in AWS, okay, you can also do the same thing. Okay, so that is the thing. Yesterday I have shown, day before yesterday I have shown for the Windows. Yesterday I have shown in the Linux as well, right? So that is the thing that you can always do. If you have any doubt also while configuring, if you want to, if you are interested. So for Splunk, right, because you have to practice that one, so I will be insisting everyone to go to AWS and install. But here, okay, if you want to explore your knowledge, okay, you can always create an instance in the AWS, okay, so that you will be having fair idea how to use AWS as well. AWS EC2, all those particular things will be having idea. Okay, so you can always use this one, create a machine like this. Okay, if you have any doubt also, you can always ask me. Okay, no issues. I have to upload a private key over here. So this is the private key I do have, and I have to decrypt this one, and whatever the decrypted password is there, I have to use in my remote desktop connection. Okay, this is the password it is asking. I will be giving the password and I will be trying to connect to the particular Windows machine. Why I'm doing this one? Because in order to show you, okay, because there is no Windows machine, because I'm using a Mac, okay, to show you the Windows machine. So I am launching in the virtual, I am launching it as a virtual machine in AWS cloud. Okay, so with all these parameters, this is the host name, this is the instance ID, this is the IP address. Okay, so this is the instance size. What is the instance? I have told you, right? T2.micro. Okay, like that we will be having T2.nano. Okay, T2.2x large, T3.2x large, like that. Okay, so everything it has been mentioned over here. And if you put a registry over here, registry, yeah, already we do have got over here. Yeah, registry editor. Okay, registry editor. So if I click over here, yeah, this is what I'm specifying. Yeah, see, these are all the 1 2 3 4 5 keys, right? So the first one, as I was specified, H key class underscore root, where it will be containing all the particular files and folders information of the particular operating system. See, if you click over here, see, all the particular information will be available. Okay, all the information will be available. This is the particular thing. Okay, and again the second one, what I have wrote over here for the second one, where is that? H key current user, H key current user. If I go over here again, yeah, H key current, yeah, H key current user, this is the one. So it gives the information of the particular user, all the files information of a particular logged in user. See, whatever the whatever the particular user will be having, because I am the only one user is there, right? Only admin only. Okay, so all the for all the particular things, control panel, environment, okay, network, printers, remote system software, all the particular things will have access. So that's why it is showcasing all the particular things. Okay, so this is the H key underscore current user. And third one is what? H key local machine. Okay, H key local machine. Where is that? H key local machine. Oh, sorry. H key local machine. What does it do? What does this particular do? This particular key will store the information. It stores the information of the particular hardware or software of the particular machine, of the server. Okay, of the server, it will store the hardware or software of the particular server. Okay, so that is the third one. And fourth one, H key underscore users. Okay, H key underscore users. So what does this do? For fourth one, is it correct or not? H key underscore users. Yeah, that is the correct one only. And fifth one, H key underscore current config. So H key underscore users, what does it do? It will be storing the information of all the users. Okay, H key underscore current user information, current user key stores the details of all the particular files or folders of the currently logged in user, but here it stores all the information of the users. Okay, it stores all the information of the users, whether they are logged in or not, all the information of the particular users. Okay, and fifth one, the last one, it is H key underscore current underscore config, as we have seen. H key underscore current underscore config. So this particular key is responsible for providing the details about the hardware allocated to the computer. Okay, so it provides details about the hardware allocated to the computer, to the particular server. Okay, so that is the thing. So if you go over here again, that is the thing that we can always see. See, if you go to the H key underscore local underscore machine, if you click over here, see what are the hardware, okay, software, system things, okay, all those things it will be showcasing. The description, the device map, all the particular information will be appended over here. Okay, that is the particular thing. And H key underscore users, see all the user information when it is created, all those particular stuff. Okay, so all the user related information it will be holding in the H key underscore users. Okay, and H key underscore current config, it will be having the details about the hardware and the software. Okay, see software and the hardware information of the current environment, whatever the system that is having. So all that particular thing it will be doing. Okay, so by using these 5 keys, right, it will be appending what? The registry. So this registry details will be having all the particular configurations basically. Okay, so whatever the hardware or software applications or the files or the folders that we do have, the entire thing it will be coming and storing in this particular registry only. Okay, that is the thing that you have to understand. Okay, so it is a centralized database, just like if you want to understand in terms of database and all.